What is she doing in the kitchen? She is washing the tomatoes. Are you cutting the vegetables? Yes, I am cutting the carrots right now. Are you boiling the rice? Yes, I am boiling the rice. What is he doing in the kitchen? He is frying the onions. Are you using the blue plates? No, I am not using the blue plates. What is Mom doing? She is making her favorite dish. What are you doing with those potatoes? I am peeling them. What are you doing? I am chopping the onions and green chilies. Is she mashing the boiled potatoes now? Yes, she is mashing them with a fork. Are you adding garlic and ginger? Yes, I am grinding them fresh and adding them to the curry. Are you still chopping? No, I am mixing the chopped vegetables now. Who is frying the paneer? My mom is frying the paneer. What is your grandma doing? She is slicing the cucumber for the salad. What are they doing? They are preparing a delicious lunch. What is Kavita doing? She is peeling the potatoes. Who is washing the coriander leaves? Sonu is washing the coriander leaves. What is he doing? He is stirring the soup on the stove. Is the rice ready? It is still boiling. Give it 5 more minutes. Are you grinding the ginger and garlic? Yes, I am grinding them fresh. It gives better flavor.